Okay guys, I'm gonna trying to talk in English in this video. I'm gonna to fix the front bumper of my dayli. It's a C4 Cactus Citroen. I hit two wheelboard or sauvage pigs and one car. And we have a little so the thing is, I have a little gap here. It doesn't need to go here, but normally like this, but I have a gap. So I have a broken plastic here and inside, and I'm gonna deposit the front bumper out and fix it and replace it for fix the problem. And normally you can do like this.
Hey, pop the hood.
Pop the hood?
Pop the hood.
I open the hood, and after I'm gonna jack up the car for more accessibility inside, and after I'm gonna take off the light here and here on the other side, and after I'm gonna check how to disassemble everything and take off the front bumper. Now I'm gonna figure out how to take off the light. I need to repair the attach of the light because it's broken too. I take off the four light, and after I'm gonna start to take off the bumper. I'm close to take off the front bumper, and it's just mind-blowing for me. It's just really simple in the fact it's just some clips on the side, and on the top of the front bumper it's just four bolts and one cable, the cable of the hood. On the bottom, two main bolts, it's broken, so I need to repair it. After I have 4 or 6 bolts to dismount for take off the full bumper, and after that's it. I take off the big headlight of camera. Okay, now the front bumper is out, is on the side, and it's interesting to see how it looks without the bumper and the exterior. And we have a little space, but yeah. And I'm trying to show you the part broken on the bumper and on this thing, but here I think it's good. It's okay, not too much things broken. Really on the bumper and on the light. Okay, so it's broken here. All this part is broken. I don't know if you can see. This part is broken. It's a sauvage pig or wheelboard. All this part is broken. If you can see, I need to repair it. This part here is broken too. And I think that's it on the bumper. On the light, one attach here is broken. This one is not broken, but I need to repair it. It's a little bit broken. On the big one, every attach is broken, but I don't need it really, but yeah, I have Not many things to repair it, but for me it's a lot. It's gonna take a little bit of time. Yeah. I forget, I don't show you how I rebuild the front bumper. I just show you 13 seconds of the one part of the front bumper. It took me 13 minutes, so the other part took me a few hours. This is now, we are gonna to see if my efforts paid off or no. Just now, I'm just I don't know how to say it, but I'm feeling good because the bumper is strong, the light don't move, and the big headlight don't move too, and it's a great success. And here we don't have the gap, and I'm gonna test it with the hood, and if we don't have the gap, it's a success. Yes. This is now the verdict. I'm gonna close the hood, and I'm gonna see if we have a gap here. Oh! Oh yeah! I fixed the problem. Oh, so good. One journey of works, and oh, this is so good. Yeah, I'm so happy. Thank you for watching, and don't leave a comment, a like, and follow me. And see you next time.